Welcome to the Automaticist.
Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect to a shared drive on the network from the Files app on an iPhone. So as you can see, we are on the Files app for the iPhone. And basically what you're going to click on Browse once you get to this is you're going to click that, and then you're going to click Connect to Server. And so that's just that little button right up there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put in the IP address. Now, a lot of the time on a local network, it's just going to be 192.168.0.2 in this case, because 0.1 is the router. Although your network may vary, and you just need to know whatever the IP address is for your server. So we're going to connect to that. We're going to connect as a guest or a registered user, doesn't really matter. And then we're going to hit next. And now I have a folder called Everyone's Stuff, which contains everyone's stuff. So that's how you connect to a network share on an iPhone.